traders, this is Day Trader Matt doing an S&P market analysis for Sunday afternoon. And right now we're looking for two scenarios basically. One of them is going to play out, but two is better than four, definitely. Last week we were looking for basically price to hold under this region, and it did, and it came lower. It busted through many areas, and it came down to our last area of support. We were looking for 1892. Price came down a little bit more, almost 1890, and then had a nice run up Friday afternoon. Right now we're looking for price to hold this support box here, 1918 half to 1915 half. So we're looking for this box to hold, and that should propel price higher, and price should come anywhere from 1932s to 1936. So that's what we're looking for as a move higher. From there, price should never get below this region. Price should stay above it on the way to this box, which is 1945 to 1953 half. And price can come up a little more than that, but that's the first target area. Once it supports here, it gets to this region, it should never get below here and then hit this, and it does have the chance of going a little bit higher, but I don't think it goes too much higher. I think from there we should get a nice pullback, and then the market could go much higher. So that's what I'm looking at. It probably should take the entire week for this to play out. If this box does break, like let's say it hits support, it comes up, and then it sells off, busts through this box and comes lower, then this is what I'm looking at. I do think no matter what, this will support at least the first test. It'll come down support and then buy up. If it is going to get weak, there's a possibility that it does stop a little bit below 1933 half. I do think that that's a pretty good target, but in that case we'll have to keep an eye on 1931s and see what happens there. But I do think there's a blah blah blah. I think there's a good likelihood that this box does get hit. I record these videos off the cuff, so I mean it is what it is. I don't know how that was a tongue twister, but it was. Anyway, if price does breaks down below this box, I am watching 1903, and I gave 1903 plus or minus 2. So anywhere from 1905 to 1901 is what I would be looking at as a support, and then we should be able to still target this box. But if it really depends on where price stops at. Wherever price stops at and rolls over and comes down into this box, I would be looking at initially plus 2 points from that region, and then this box. If this box is plus 2, then it would be this box. But that's what I'm looking at. I always change these, and with the trading room, I always put in these every night, so that way there's an updated view of what I'm looking at. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the analysis. You can always leave comments below. I definitely encourage discussion. Some people like to email me directly, and that's cool as well. It doesn't really matter how you ask the question, it's just that you ask the question, and there's no such thing as a dumb question. I definitely believe that. I was a new trader once, and I asked a lot of remedial questions. I know I did. But that's how you learn. You learn through questions. If you want to email me, my email address is support@businesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have an excellent rest of your weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.